Hello, ladies. Well, it is a long weekend, so I am enjoying my long break from work, and I thought I should do something fun. I just finished baking two huge trays of banana cake today because I have lots of ripe bananas, like really ripe, which are very good for banana cakes. Anyways, how are you doing? I wanted to try to show you, in case you're interested, how you can put makeup for that, with that, no, to create that normal day, casual day look, and then how to transition from that casual makeup to evening makeup, right? So let's give that a try. Well, my name is Jackie and I'm 64 years old, and until this date I love surprises. I love surprising myself. I like to feel good about myself, and that's why I try to inspire women and girls to feel good about yourself, right? So let us start. Before you put on your makeup, make sure you've washed your face thoroughly. You put moisturizer. Well, I also put this one, Collagen Plus, and my toner, which has collagen because of my age. Very important. And then after my toner, I put this Olay moisturizer. I'm almost out. My sunblock. Oh, I have vitamin C. I also put this one because, they are lighter now. You see my dark spots here? They used to be worse. So that's for my melasma, vitamin C. This is really working. I tell you, I swear by this. I've been using this for, I'd say, 3 months now. And it really shows. Okay, let's put some foundation. I don't really spend on luxury items because there are drugstore brands that work best with my skin. So I try to be frugal whenever I can. So day makeup, right? Day makeup, meaning to say no glitter, nothing like that. This is my Anastasia. I'm gonna use this to highlight and create a base. And then we'll do brown. I use this brown. And I'm just gonna use this light brown. Just follow the contour. Keep it light, like the day. And maybe this one. Just on the side, because it creates the form of your eyes. And they always say that you have to blend your shadow outwards. So I'm gonna get my blender. And then blend it all the way outside. And a little here. There you go. Then I'm just going to darken my brows. And the other. It's very hard to make them even, but the good thing is no eyes are ever the same. I'm going to put some very dark shadow liner so that it's soft and not sharp. And then I'm going to put a little under. Do you want some blush on? Why not, right? Why not? Let's have some blush on. There you go. Magic! Ta-da! Okay, Okay, so that's part one, the natural look. Now, do you want to get ready with me? Because we're going to transform this day look to night, the evening touch. You know, especially when you're going to a place where there will be lots of light, you want to emphasize your features because otherwise the light will drown you. I'm going to use my chocolate bar, Too Faced, and then I have this glitter. I am now enhancing the makeup. So now we got that. This I'm gonna play around with these colors so you can tell they're darker than my Tartlet earlier, which I used. You know, sometimes I have to really decide what I want. Some people say don't match your eyeshadow with your attire, because they say that your eyeshadows should match your features more, right? But through the years, like at 64, I should know by now that if your color palette doesn't match your attire, there's that clash right away. You don't look put together. So you still have to have that harmonizing touch, right? And I'm just following the crease. I've had a number of makeup tutorials, and so I'm quite comfortable showing you how how to put makeup and how to get the best out of your features, right? You follow the natural contour of your eyes. Don't change. I'm gonna put a little bit of purple, but on top. See, just there. Then I'm gonna blend it outwards so that you don't see any cuts or lines or, you know, boundaries or borders. So they should be just gradient. Because I'm wearing green, I'm gonna put greenish blue highlight. This one. There's a little drama, right? Like when you blink, there's a little drama. You see my melasma there? I'm gonna cover this with orange lipstick. Why orange, you ask? Because orange cancels blue or gray. And I put my concealer. This is my concealer from Sephora, best skin ever. I can just go like this. And then my lighter one from Charlotte Tilbury. I like using brushes to blend everything I put on my skin. Foundation, concealer. Your fingers aren't messed up. This is my e.l.f. So I'm gonna use this highlight. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Right? Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna use this for my contour thingy. You want to add more color so you don't have to retouch. Okay. I have to put a little bit of a highlight on my nose. These are my lashes. And they are not the full one, because the full one I noticed would ruin the actual shape of my eyes and then always I look different. And so I'm so glad I found these sectional ones, so that you actually just put random, like I put two on each side, and I'm good. So be right back. I don't have perfect vision, so I'm just like sometimes feeling my lashes. So you probably have it more perfect than me, because my lashes are not anymore as, I mean, my vision is not clear anymore, not good anymore. So I put maybe this one. So I'm gonna blend this so it's a little smoky. See how it blends? There you go. And then we are all set. And here we are all done. So let me ask you, do you like the normal casual day makeup, or do you want the evening makeup like this one? So there's more work that's involved, but I would say the makeup lasts longer, and of course you shine even in the middle of so much light, so much glitter, so much sparkle. You will sparkle. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little tutorial, whether you're young, whether you're older like me. I'm 64 and still dreaming, still very enthusiastic about life. And I really hope that you enjoy every year of your life. The process of growing is a process of loving ourselves. Every year that we celebrate our birthday, we celebrate the additional wisdom and knowledge and experience, and just imagine what memories one year can hold. So we always want to look forward to that, and we want to look forward to that with confidence, knowing that we are confident about ourselves, that we are happy where we are, that we don't need so much. Makeup is okay. I'll end with makeup. No need for Botox or fillers. But no offense to those who like to put Botox or fillers. Do what makes you happy, girl. Do what makes you happy. As for me, I'll age this way, and I hope that many of you will enjoy the aging process. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and comment and share and send this to your friends. Share this video with everyone who you think needs a little bit of a tutorial in makeup, or just a little bit of a boost in self-esteem. And I do have my social media profiles. Don't forget to follow me there. I have Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Self-Esteem Through the Years. And of course, I have a website, jackied.com, and come by and sign up for my newsletter. Get in touch with me, because one day when I send out a newsletter, because I haven't really sent out one, and I hope you'll be there so that you get my newsletter. Okay, I send you lots of blessings now and always. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.